This video will cover drip factor and flow rate used in intravenous calculations. This is Shannon. The purpose of this video is just to define these terms and make sure that you have them in your notes in a way that will help you. We're going to start with drip factor. The drip factor is how big the drops are. It's usually measured in drops per milliliter. So as you know, say for example, we were talking about rain. Some raindrops are bigger than others. When we say a drop, it is not a precise measurement. The word drop is a generic word, and how big a drop is told by the drip factor. For example, it may take 10 drops to make a milliliter, or it may take 50 drops to make a milliliter. Because of this, drip factor is usually measured in drops per milliliter. The abbreviation for that is GTT per ml, drops per milliliter. Now we'll talk about the flow rate. The flow rate is the rate at which the IV is infused. So what we're talking about here is the setting on the machine that tells it how quickly to drip the solution into our patient. This is measured in milliliters per hour, and our abbreviation is ml per HR, milliliters per hour. So you may give the patient 50 milliliters per hour. You may give the patient 200 milliliters per hour. Usually in these problems, it will tell you, give the drip factor in terms of drops per milliliter. Or it'll say, give the flow rate in terms of milliliters per hour. If for some reason it doesn't state what units to give it in, please always default for drip factor, drops per milliliter, and for flow rate, milliliters per hour. Again, usually you'll get a reminder of this, but if you don't, these are standard units for use. Thanks for watching.